Right, welcome. New York live stream, 20th of Feb. If you guys are watching this video, you enjoy more of my content. I provide more of this content inside of my free Discord and Telegram. Link to both are in the description box down below. If you're here, welcome. If you're new, subscribe. And of course, whilst you're down there, you might as well drop a like on the live. Anyways, let's just get into it. It's been a bit of a fugazi week. I mean, it hasn't really. We just had one bad day of the week where price has not really been printing as well as it usually does. Okay, let's get to business. Let's get to business. All right. Money day. I need to get this comment section up. Yes, Mark. Yes, Gift. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have it today. You guys make me laugh, man. For sure. Let's have it today. Let's have it. In any case, let's just see what today has for us. Hopefully, we can recover some of yesterday. Zeno, money day, my bro. How you doing? You good? All right. So last night, after the cluster of trades inside of here, we did eventually drop down lower. Once we took out Wednesday's Tokyo low, okay, we've just reversed, right? During the FOMC, we reversed. I thought potentially would stop around here, and then Tokyo session would actually bring us lower. But as you guys can see, Tokyo session did not bring us lower at all. In fact, it just created a new all-time high for gold again. It's a bit annoying because preferably you want to get into these trades prior to all-time high, and where we're currently sitting, there's just not a clear area for us to take part in gold. I'll be completely honest with you guys. There's not the clearest picture, at least for now anyways. It does seem like the dollar may drop today, or at least for the rest of the week. This looks like the dollar has had a sufficient enough pullback, right? We may get a drop to take out the low. So, yeah, look at that weekly candle. So right now what I see for the weekly candle is we've just tested a fortnight ago's weekly low, right? We pull back up there. This may engulf the low. Obviously, this is the weekly time frame, yes, but if you guys remember on Tuesday when we had this picture here on the hourly where gold rallied, pulled back, tested the hourly candles high, right? And then it continued. So look, the exact same picture can happen on the weekly time frame, on the hourly, on the 5-minute, right? So I want to see if we may potentially get a new low of the week, and it looks like yesterday may have been the high of the week, but we'll see. We've got this jobless claim data coming out really soon, so we'll see how that does. Guys, if you're watching the live stream so far and you haven't dropped a like on the live, do me a massive favor and drop a like on the live, guys. If you guys got any questions, anyone in any trades, let me know inside of the chat box. You guys know the drill. But for now, let's just wait for this news to come out. I reckon we may have to momentum trade today. And what do I mean by momentum? Just following the current volume of price. Right? If we're shooting down, we'll take a sell. If we're shooting up, we'll take a buy. There's just not much for us to work with at the moment. What's good, my bro? You good? You good? You good? I like the energy you come in here with, bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you. Glad to have you. Guys, if you're on the live stream right now and you enjoy this type of content, more of this content is provided for free inside of my Telegram and Discord. Guys, my Discord is now my new main hub. So, if you haven't joined the Discord already, the link to the Discord is in the description box down below. Click that link and it'll take you straight to the server. Okay, today is recovery day. Aye, God willing, man. God willing, today is a recovery day. Based on my unprofitable analysis, price tapped into a discount, and man said, "This guy is hilarious, man." Bro really said my unprofitable analysis, price tapped into discount and should head lower. Or what is your bias? Discount for what, bro? Are you talking about gold? Zeno says, appreciate the daily content, bro. You're smashing it. Appreciate you, my bro. Best football moment says, yeah, 50% mark from 29.50 to 29.38. 29.50. 29.50 is around here to 29.38. Okay, so you're just doing a swing of the most recent 5-minute high and low, yeah? This is the thing though, like right now on gold, I'd rather be wrong buying gold than be wrong selling gold. In my opinion, right? Yes, there's no liquidity left at the highs. There's only the lows left. But if you look at this 4-hour picture, we could just pull back and then shoot up again, right? Similar to what we had here. Just shot straight back up. So, look, I'll look for buys. If we start to drop really, really heavy, then we can look for sells. Like I said, today's going to be a momentum day. So we're going to follow the momentum or the volume of price. So that's the main thing for today. I'm not going to do anything overly complicated. I'm just going to see what price is doing. Right, for example, if you look over here on the 5-minute, right, you got these candles here. I mean, you could take a trade out of it if you wanted to for a short, for sure. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's still pushing up. Wow, talk about a recovery from Bitcoin, you know? Dropped from 93k all the way straight back up to 97. It's quite a move. I'm gonna leave Bitcoin alone for now. Like there's no clear point of interest inside of here where it's gonna make me think, okay, this is a good area for me to look for a trade. Like on the hourly picture, on the 4-hour picture, the only thing that I do see on the 4-hour picture is just getting a test of this 4-hour candle. Right, get a little move here and then push up. That's the only thing I see right now. Right. Mark says facts. I appreciate you guys, bros. I appreciate you guys. You're enjoying the content. Let me see some likes. Let me see some likes on the live if you're enjoying the content, guys. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Got any questions, put inside the chat box. Let's have a conversation. What's your favorite pair? What pair are you currently trading at the moment? And if you're in any position. So right now we got best football moments. I think it's Leo. Remind me if it's Leo, bro. From memory, I think it's Leo. You're looking for a short. Yeah, Leo. Okay, cool, perfect. So, bro, if you're looking for a short from here, it's okay, it's valid. Do you know what I mean? Because right now, if you look at the 5-minute picture, we are bearish. We have been coming down. Am I convinced if this is going to be the main mover? No. But let's see. Unemployment rate for the Aussie. Oh, sorry, not the Aussie, NZD. Remained the same at 4.1. The same as forecasted was 4.1. The prior was 4%, so it's gone up by 0.1%. Where's unemployment? Unemployment rate isn't here. Unemployment isn't here. See the revenue. Okay. We also had a 5-minute BOS. Yeah, I get you. Look, bro, play that setup. I don't think it's a bad setup. It can definitely work out for sure. Do you know what I mean? I just don't have a hold right now. The problem is I don't have a good understanding of what gold wants to do at the moment, and I also don't have a good understanding of exactly what the dollar is going to do right now, right? Because look, what I do understand about the dollar is what I would like to see for the rest of the week is actually us break the low of the week, right? So Monday's low. If we engulf this low, fine. If we don't, it's not a big deal. But I want to see us push towards Monday's low and create a new low of the week, right? So in that regard, if I look at the hourly picture here, there's not a clear area where, you know, I'll look at it and be like, cool, this is a good area for me to go long or to go short, or to look for gold to do the opposite of, right? If you look at the current price action here on the dollar, yes, we're dropping quite heavy, right? But is gold pushing up heavy? No, it's not. So right now, I'm just gonna sit on my hands for now. I wanna see something. We'll probably will see something today, but I want to see something that's gonna give me a little bit more confidence to be like, okay, cool, let's definitely take this in. Okay, Joe, Money Day, let's go, my bro. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Okay. I wonder what happened to Chelms. What happened to CJ Money? She really hasn't showed herself this whole week, you know? It's crazy. I want to see what we'll do with this news release. Like, I'm just not in a rush to pull the trigger today. I'll be completely honest with you. Because it does look like price or market wants to move later on in the day this week. And even a few of the days last week, we also had quite late movers, right? If we look at last week here, right? So we go here, Sunday, market open, huge push up. Daytime, we barely get a move, stuck in this range. Asia, we create new all-time highs, wick down, drop lower. New York session, we had a bit of a push up, but not really in a rush to go anywhere. Waiting for a sell-off here. Tokyo continues it. Wednesday was a decent move because we had that wick and then we had a continuation. And then we stopped Asia. Tokyo session continued the move. So it's like Tokyo session has been quite, the range on them has been quite big as of late. You know, on average, like gold's Tokyo range is around like 140 pips. No, it's around 130 pips, like 160 pips. That's what I usually notice. Hold on, guys, I got a phone call.
Maybe I'm just fucked up. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I
All right, we're back. Cool. All right, what's gold doing right now? What's the news saying? So initial jobless claims is worse than expected. The forecasted data was 215k. It came out at 219k. So there's more unemployed people right now. It's also worse than the previous data, which was 214k. So we should see weakness or some weakness in the dollar. But let's see how that progresses for the rest of today. Right, we should see continued weakness in the dollar. So let's see if the DXY wants to take out that low, Monday's low, which is technically here. That's the low of the week. I mean, if market comes this low, it might as well take out last week's low as well. But we'll continue to drop. I mean, look, guys. Some of you got gold shorts. Some of you lot got gold longs. I reckon to just play it. Play your setup. If you want to go long on gold, do it. If you want to go short on gold, do it. Because right now, gold is probably going to give you a bit of both. Right? Gold is probably going to give you a bit of both. Do I see enough for myself to enter? No. I don't, to be honest with you guys. So I want to see a little bit more price action. Like, for example, let's just say... Okay, this would be me forcing a trade, right? If I wanted to really force a trade and find a trade. So there's the sell there. You can enter that sell, sure. Let's just say we get price pushing through, yeah? We get price pushed through. At least we break some of these highs here. And then we get a pullback. Then we can look to go long. Like, that's going to be my most ideal scenario. And preferably when we push through, if we push through this area, it doesn't take out all-time highs here. It just kind of slows down and then gives us a pullback. Then I'll be interested in going long for gold. But until then, I wouldn't say I'm interested in gold longs. And I'm not interested in gold shorts at the moment because of the news that's also come out right now. And because of the weekly picture on the DXY. Leo says, oh, Joe says, in the long, I can't lie. Nice one, my bro. Go for it. Shoot. Leo says, nah, bro, don't use my analysis, lol. Nah, have some faith in yourself, bro. You're good. You're good. Have some faith in yourself. Have some faith in yourself.
This is good for the soul.
Only heaven knows
Okay, dollar's really dropping off, guys. Gold might shoot through this. Leo says it was dumb. We are in an uptrend, 1 hour time frame. But let's see, bro. Look, you might be right. You might be right in taking this out. Don't get me wrong. What is guanin, people? Okay, Sir Everlastic, Jason. I ain't seen you in a minute. How you doing, my bro? You good? Have you come back from your hiatus? I haven't seen you in one of my streams in a little while, bro. Just living and non-stop since I came back from vacay last night. I feel you, my bro. But I'm glad to hear you're good, man. And you're back in the game. Back in the game. Okay, let's see. Like, none of this price actions is I don't like it. I don't like this price action at all. Even if I were to look at the candles at the moment, this can actually come down, you know. On the half hour, this can come down. Let's see. Hourly picture. I mean, hourly picture looks okay. Hourly picture does still look like it can come down, like the next hour. If we don't get like a really bullish hour, right, the next hourly candle can actually push down, to be honest with you. But let's see. Like, the only thing is I'm not really convinced. Like, these lows are not convincing enough here for gold. It's not convincing enough. Don't get me wrong, we can still be in a buy, but these lows, they're not convincing enough telling me, oh yeah, you know, this is definitely the low. We should start pushing up. Like, I'm not convinced. The picture is really, really ugly, guys. I'll be honest. Like, you know, look at Tokyo session last night. Look how clean that is. Right? Look at how clean Tokyo was. Let me show you. Look at how clean this is. Look at that. High, high, low, high, high, pullback. Right? Inside of that pullback, entry. Right? What did we do on the 1 minute here? Break of structure. Turned bullish on the 1 minute. What did price do? Pulled back again. Guess what? This here is another entry. Right? This is the confirmation entry. Boom, buy. Price continues higher. Had a smaller buy right here. Boom, price pushes higher. It's like, why is Tokyo so much cleaner than New York at the moment? You know? Anyways, Leo, you might be right in taking that short there, but we'll see. How was your vacation, Jason? How was it? Where did you go? Are you in any trades right now? Are you looking at any positions right now? Jamaica waiting till 9:30 to kick ORB into effect. Oh yeah. Jason's got a ORB strategy. Jason, if you're not inside of my Discord yet, bro, I've moved over to Discord. It's the main hub. The link to the Discord is in the description box below. You can join and click that. Send your charts. Talk about ORB. Talk about whatever, really. Oh, guys, did anyone watch the game yesterday? Oh my goodness. Real Madrid are looking scary. Real Madrid are looking dangerous, honestly. These guys, how do they keep doing it? Year after year after year after year. It's insane. Okay, so right now, this little short setup provided by Leo is actually playing out a lot better than the longs right now. ORB been killing on futures, 90% win rate trading NQ and ES. Nice one, my bro. You might have to drop a little something there inside of the Discord for the peoples. Maybe they want to take a look at the ORB strategy you've got. Okay, dollar's pulling back at the moment. Dollar is pulling back. Let's take a look at the high time frame. 15-minute, half hour, 1 hour. Yeah, half hour candle looks pretty bearish. Like I said earlier, 15-minute time frame. I mean, we'll see if it comes down. These lows, they're not really the best, the lows. They're not great.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless.
Not gatekeeping around here. Alright, we look forward to it, my bro. We look forward to it. Leo, I wish you. I hope you took this this trade. Your setup is playing out quite well. In fact, it's really playing out well. Okay, W Leo, man. W Leo. Well done, my bro. You see, that's why you gotta believe in your setups. That's why you gotta believe in your charts, in your own analysis. Remember, it's all probabilities, you know. It's all probabilities, so you're fine. Anyways, it's about to hit 1 to 2 real soon. It's a pretty bearish hourly candle. That's a very strong 15-minute candle. Alright, that 15-minute candle has engulfed a lot of price action. It's quite a drop. It's a convincing drop too. Gold's going for it. Joe says swoosh SL hit factory reset. Yeah, my bro. It's tricky right now, man. Like if I'm gonna buy gold, right? If we're gonna buy gold, we need to see gold actually show us better price action for longs, right? Because this price action we had earlier was not like that strong for a long position. The sell just prevailed in this scenario here, so don't beat yourself up about it. It's quite a nice move, in fact. You didn't take. Leo says I hate my life. You didn't take that trade, did you? Let's see what gold wants to do here. It looks like we got a good chance to get down there. Tokyo lows have a very good chance of getting swept. Looks like gold shorts just react better at the moment than the longs. Okay. So 1 to 3 yard trade. Alright, let's see what this new hour candle wants to do. Leo says I got stopped out at 29.47. Oh, that's tough. That's really tough, man. Where did you have your SL? Why didn't you have your SL slightly higher? Like, what's your SL, Leo? Like, what's your usual SL? Do you have like a 20 pip, 10 pip? Do you have a set SL, or does it depend on the area that you're looking at? Guys, if you're enjoying the live stream so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and drop a like on the live. More of this is provided for free inside of my Telegram and Discord. Link to both are in the description box down below. Just click on those links, it will take you straight there. This is so strong, man. Honestly. This sell on gold is quite strong. My SLs are my building blocks, so highs, lows, order blocks, etc. Okay, I got you. Sorry guys, give me a second. Alright, guys. Apologies for that. For some reason, my sister thought it's a good idea for her to just walk in. Alright, first buy zone for gold 29.36. Got a damn meeting in 10 minutes. I'll check in with you guys with the source on the Discord. Alright, my bro. Appreciate you. Guys, if you're watching this live stream right now and you're new to the live stream, go to the chat box of the live stream, come say hello. Everyone would like to welcome you. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More of this content is provided inside of my Discord. Link to the Discord's in the description box down below. And whilst you're down there, drop a like on the live. Bello, you need to knock. I'm literally live streaming right now, and you're just flying in and out. Like, what's going on? You know better. Just take care of yourself, yeah? Alright, cool. Mark says, is there a difference in strategies when trading futures? Are you asking Jason or are you asking me, bro? If you're asking me, there's no difference in strategy. The only thing is there's a difference in how you trade it and your risk. Would that work on gold? I can't give you an answer to that. Jason will have to answer that for you, bro. But the reason why he looks at the 930 candle is because that's when the New York Stock Exchange opens. And usually at that time, when the New York Stock Exchange opens, there's volatility that happens in the market. So you see like a mad push up, mad push down. And from what I understand from his technique or his strategy, it's almost like a breakout strategy. So from what I understand is if price takes out the high, pulls back, you go for a long. If price takes out the low, pulls back, go for a short. That's also a form of the candle range theory. It sounds like the candle range theory strategy as well. So the candle range theories, or CRT, involves looking at the first 15 minutes of the stock exchange open and seeing if we get a push up or below that range. If we get a push out of that range to the upside, you wait for a pullback and you go long. If you get a push down, pullback, you go short. It's really simple, to be honest with you. I think gold will just keep dropping. It's pretty difficult to go for longs on gold right now. My thing is, like, I don't really want to see gold drop beneath this 4-hour low. I don't think gold will drop beneath this 4-hour low myself anyways, but let's see what happens. I have a feeling like today might just be a dud. Leo says nice cashed. You caught a little $20 profit, only $800 to go. Let's go, my bro. You got this, man. Start pulling the trigger, man. Start pulling the trigger. That was dropping off. I don't like today's price action, guys. Like, we look pretty stagnant. Leo says, as soon as I pull the trigger on my own behalf, I get in the negatives. That's a crazy statement to say. You know, the power of your tongue is a powerful thing.
Message deleted.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs.
Mark says, there is an imbalance in the half hour. Do you think price will retest there? Roughly 29.28. 29.28, that's here.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all
Mega Aaron King.
I don't need her.
Money Day, my bro. Got to run it up before Ramadan reaches. Come on, my bro. Do I think gold's probably gonna react here? Yeah, this is like the low, right? This is the low of that 4-hour candle. So if we're gonna get any buys or any pushes up, it needs to happen in and around this level here, right? So I do think we'll get a bit of a reaction to the upside, and I'm anticipating if this reaction is going to be the reaction that gives us an all-time high. If we break this low for gold, which is this 4-hour candle's low, if we break that low, boy, why does this look so different? If we break this 4-hour low, then we need to look towards like 2,900. Right, we need to look at much lower prices for a pullback on gold. Leo says, for I can only rely on signal groups. That's not true, bro. Like I said to you last time, yeah, you need to get yourself a mentor. That's what you need to do. Get yourself a mentor, bro. Because signal groups is limiting. It can only take you so far. But I'm learning. Hopefully I can do it on my own. That's the right stuff. And when signal goes away, what happens? Please don't feel that way. Just stay optimistic and continue learning. Come on, Joe. Joe's right, man. Just gotta continue learning, my bro. Alright, new hourly candles here. It's 2 p.m. My alarm just went off. Let's see. I had such a terrible night's sleep, so my face is all puffy today. Went to bed at like, I think 6 a.m. or something silly. Went to bed real late. Guys, if you're new to the live stream and you're enjoying the live stream, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content. Right, if you turn on the post notifications, you are going to get notified as soon as a live stream or a post goes up on the channel. And also, if you want to be part of my main hub, which is the Discord, the link to the Discord is in the description of this video. You can just click on it and it will take you straight to the Discord and you can join for free. Mark says, damn, you should have been trading that Tokyo session if you were up at that time. Bro, for me it's like, I don't know what it is for me. It's like, if it gets to a certain time of the evening, I just can't be bothered for trading anymore. Like, I know myself, and it's like, I'm best during New York session. Like, yes, sure, I could trade during Tokyo, but maybe if I'm like looking at Bitcoin or something else like that. For me, I don't have a strategy that's like, I haven't experienced Tokyo sessions enough. I haven't experienced enough Tokyo sessions for me to be confident, pretty much. Leo says is trading your main job. I mean, I don't like to think of it as a job, but yes, you can say it's my main vocation. I mean, I thought it would be pretty obvious to you right now, or by now, bro. I live stream every day. Pretty much. I live stream every day. I'm on these charts with you every single day. Yeah, I hear it. Best stick to what you know best. Aaron says, let me mod for your Discord, bro. Mod for my yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? I need to sort out the roles on Discord. I need to sort out the mod roles on Discord. But when I do, I'll probably give one to Gift and maybe you, Aaron, as well. Okay. This has been a crazy drop, by the way, guys. Like this was the move. This short here, that was definitely the move. Definitely the move for today. DXY straight back up there. Alright, so we've tapped into the hourly imbalance. Let's see if this wants to start progressing up now. In fact, I might even just take a buy from here, you know. Oof, 130 pips. No thanks. No thanks. People say, don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. Bitcoin's pumping. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is pushing up. Gold just keeps steamrolling lower. We might break that 4-hour low. Might take out that 4-hour low. Oof, it's quite heavy. Let's see, these are the last lows on gold. The last lows. What a sell. Ugh. Guys, this is a this is a huge sell, man. Like, and it's just straight one direction as well. Like, just one pure momentum direction. No real pullbacks, no nothing. Just straight sell. Bitcoin is pumping. Brent Fayaz is cold. Is this a footballer, Mark? I don't know. Joe says no sign of any long opportunities. Kudos to those who took the short. Yeah, there's no signs right now, man.
myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my will. Rolling stone. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just these slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might just
Okay.
tonight. I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that. I'm a lover boy. She got a toy.
100 pip SL. Nope. No, thank you. I do fancy looking for longs around here. I'll be honest with you guys. Maybe we can get some longs here. At least a pullback. The longs could give us a pullback on the previous hour. You know, like this has dropped 200 pips right in front of our faces, by the way. So if we can catch like a 90 pip or 80 pip move up, that would be quite nice. LTF doesn't look progressive for the buyers for now. Put on alert right at the lows here. Oh, what I was singing, yeah, I got you. The guy whose music's on the background. Yeah, he's cold, my bro. This is a random playlist I found. I didn't even know the guy specifically, to be honest with you, but I like what I hear so far. Bitcoin still pushing up. Looks like dollar's about to reverse. Dollar just tested this 15-minute candle. Dollar starts dropping, gold will start pushing up. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, yeah?
This is good for the soul.
Okay. If we can see one of these highs get taken, alright, which is why I got my alert there. If we can see one of these highs get taken, get a pullback, we can look. We can look for this high to get taken, to go long. Right? We want to see a break of this high, a pullback, enter a buy somewhere here, and then target this high here as a TP. So this range is about 80 pips. So a 1 to 2R with a 40 pip SL should be sufficient. Alright, let's split the screen. To be honest, could take another sell on gold right where it is. This is like seriously high risk, but you could take another sell, to be honest. Can target that low there as a TP. Yeah, gold's really heavy to the downside, man. Gold's really heavy, guys. This ain't coming back. Gold is really heavy. Gold is so heavy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Dunzo, man. Looks like the low will get taken, guys. I actually feel so tired, man. I feel so tired today. I might end the stream here, you know, guys. I'm gonna close my eyes for a bit. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, guys, yeah? I'm gonna give you some setups inside of the Discord. Yeah, and we're gonna play with that. If EU does drop lower, I think we've got a pretty decent chance of buying this. With Wednesday's Tokyo high intact. Alright. Like, I would like to take a buy on EU. Right, realistically, I want it at the body of the candle. What's happening, Ritesh? How you doing, my bro? Glad you can finally join us. 10 pip, 11 pips to the high, that is 21 pips. Okay. Let's give it 10 pips. Stop. 10 pips stop.
Want to spend more time at the wheel? Shopify's tools help you get in front of more customers. like custom email templates and automations that turn browsers into buyers, and powerful analytics. Get the right tools at Shopify.
With Google Workspace, Calendar lets you share your latest availability, so customers can
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro kachoro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Reversal for gold. Richard says how the gold sell from 29.43. Nice one, bro. 29.43. That's quite up to 29.28. You gotta share this playlist, JD. This one, like this one, right now. Is that what you're talking about, Joe? Gold is taking the piss, man. Honestly, it is. It is. But what I'm anticipating right now is if we can actually get some buys on this. Like, yeah, we've pushed back up. We tested the same area, but we have also taken out this high here on the 1 minute. Like, because we've actually come into an area on the hourly where I wanted to go long from, I'm anticipating whether we can actually be confident in taking this buy or not. Alright, because as much as I want to take this buy, there's still a good chance that this will still drop again from this area. Right, and the point of interest that we're playing from is not strong enough for me to believe in this long. But the only thing is like, if you want to take the long, fine, because it's like, this is the last low. Do you understand? This is the last place that we can look to go long in the first place. So it's like, if it's not a long from here, then it's not a long altogether. Do you understand? So it's possible. In other news, Bitcoin is going through the roof, guys. Bitcoin is absolutely going through the roof. I wonder if we can take a buy from here. Def was staying up for Tokyo Sesh tonight. We'll see, bro. I'm in two minds about this at the moment. Let me set some alerts for EU. Let me see if we can find a trade elsewhere. I mean, we got 8 minutes till the stock opens. Look at Bitcoin. Wow, 98k. Very strong. Like, to be honest, I want to buy gold right now. I do. I do want to buy gold right now, guys. I actually do. But it's not enough. It's not enough. And the thing is, when you have a day like yesterday, where for me, I took 2 losses yesterday. I took 3 trades yesterday. I took 1 long that hit SL pretty quickly. I took 2 shorts, right? I doubled down on the shorts. I went break even on the first position, right? And then the second position, I left the SL where it was. So I was like, look, I'm doubling my risk on this. So if it flies all the way down, then double profit, cool. If it doesn't, let me cover the SL on the first position so that even if the position does lose, I don't lose both positions, I just lose one.
Hey everyone.
Joe, I'm gonna send you the link to this, okay? I'm gonna send in the Discord. I do want to go long on this. It's just not enough. Let's see. Yeah. Looks like shorts it is, man. Yup, shorts it is. 15-minute candles. 5-minute candle, 15-minute. 15-minute candle looks very bearish. Half hour. You got 5 minutes, man. You got 5 minutes. 5-minute picture looks more likely to push down at the moment. Yeah, 5-minute picture will probably come down. You know what, yo? If you want to play like that, I might take a little wee sell on you.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I take on it.
Look at the dollar. Dollar keeps dropping off. Yeah, today's not great, man. If you didn't catch the short from up here or even here or even here, it's all a bunch of BS, to be honest. So. Don't forget me, how you doing things I never do. That's right. DXY is dropping. Let's see if we can take a little short on this, maybe. Nah, man. 1 second, you know, I want to buy, next second I want to sell. I might just stay out of this. I might just stay out of this for today, guys. I might stay out of this. This is just messy as hell. 1 minute picture looks good to push up. 2 minute picture looks good to come down. 5 minute picture still looks good to come down. 15 minute candle. Yeah, guys. It's so tempting both ways, man.
What scares you more? Taking a chance and making a mistake, or looking back years from now knowing you never even tried? That question changed my life.
Like, the one reason why I don't want to take a sell is because we've already sold off 200 plus pips. That's the reason why I don't want to keep selling something that's already been dropping, right? Especially on the hourly, you know, we don't have a pullback on this candle at all, right? Or a pullback on the shorts that we just had. So that's what I'm waiting for, right? And the fact that we've dropped low enough to an area where we can look to go long is the only reason why I do want to go long. And also adding to that, the DXY pushing down. I think that low on Monday, I think these lows are quite good to get taken today, or maybe Tokyo session today. That's the only thing. But it's when the dollar is reacting, the dollar is going down, like gold is not really doing too much. But anyways, we're 5 seconds out, 3 seconds out, 2, 1 from New York Stock Exchange open. New half-hour candle opens now. Let's take a look at the half hour. This half hour is giving me pullback vibes, to be honest. Yeah, this half hour can push up. I'm just gonna stay out of this. I'm just gonna stay out of it, to be honest. I don't have to trade this. It's just a mess right now. I feel all gold will leave us behind. What, for the long or for the short? See, my only thing, right? If gold is going to be a long, we've got a good range to work with. We've got a 230 pip range to the all-time highs. So, again, the same thing I say, can I catch 80 pips inside of that range? That's all I need, 80 pips. And my answer is always going to be yes. I can definitely find an 80 pip range inside of this. In any case, gold is now up. Can we start to look to go long? Alright, so do we want to take a trade today? Alright, let's go for one trade today. If it works out, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. We're going to go for a test of this 5-minute candle here. Yeah, that's all we're going to do for today.
Fucking on my ex, cause he better date me. up a check, I don't want a receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lust too much, I hit my clutch and boom, third day. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence.
Alright, Richard says he's in along from 29.29. 29.29, that's around here. Nice one, bro. Let's see what this wants to do. You've had about a 50 pip push up so far on gold. Okay. I'm gonna start buying here at the imbalance. I'm gonna start buying slowly. Let me get this chart. Set a buy limit. 29, 25.
If you're a web designer, here are 4 Wix Studio features you gotta know. So first on the list, Section Grid. I'm talking about a revolutionary tool that lets you create your own intricate layouts, but still keeps it intuitive at every step. So you can split cells, create gaps between them, drag to resize, and swap them around. All right, this next feature has saved me hours of work. Responsive AI. You set up your design once, and with just
goes
one
reversing
click,
pretty
it'll
quickly.
analyze the section and automatically adjust the responsive behaviors for each element to fit every breakpoint. Another huge time saver, no code animations. You can create unique brand experiences.
Let's see how this hourly candle wants to close. Right, because if we close, let me just get rid of all these drawings for a second. If we close similar to this, like a pretty bullish pin candle, the new hourly candle will open. Need to create the low of the hour before continuing higher, right? So if we can bank on that, because this is quite a nice wick we have here at the lows, it's quite nice. So if we can bank on that, we should be able to get a little long entry here for gold. Okay, the picture's looking a lot better now, guys. A lot better. If you're watching the live stream right now, you're enjoying the live stream, don't forget to hit the like on the live. Helps the channel reach out to more people and is better on the YouTube algorithm. So if you haven't done so, drop a like on the live. If you enjoy this type of content, more content is provided in my main hub, which is Discord. The link to Discord is in the description box down below. All you have to do is click it and it'll take you there. This looks much better now, guys. It looks much better now. Like, I'm happy to take this risk. I'm happy to. The only thing now is if we're gonna get a pullback, and that's what we gotta look out for. Dow's very wicky, so is the S&P. As that looks like it's coming down. Bitcoin's at 97, 92. Yeah, I thought the drop to 2900 was too much. Yeah, it was quite a big drop, you know. 200 pips. No pullback, no nothing. So I want to see us hold this area. I don't really want to see us take out the high just yet. I want to see us pull back before we take out this high. I want this high to be a target. But let's see. Okay, we're getting a bit of a pullback down the dollar. Let's see what we can get. See a little pullback there. Alright, we're just taking that higher there on gold. See if we can get a little pullback and go long.
Have an idea for a business but no idea how to get started? Our customizable templates enable brands like Eva Shonake to create a distinct digital shopfront that's beautiful to look at and simple to use.
As a direct...
Alright, here's what I'm gonna do, yeah? I'm gonna give you guys the setup here for gold for the long. Alright, cool. I've just dropped that setup there for gold. How it's currently printing doesn't even look like we're gonna get a pullback. But let's stay optimistic. We can still get it. You can still get a pullback. I'm sure of it. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, yeah, guys. I'm gonna call the stream there. Honestly, I need to close my eyes for like 5-10 minutes. But monitor this area here. To be honest, like, price might not actually come all the way down here. It might start buying from the top of this imbalance here. I've already got a buy limit here if we can get down there, right? But ideally we want to take a buy from here. The only problem is if price goes up so high, which it currently is, you know, you need it to drop another 80-90 pips for it to get down here, and that's a lot for it to, like, that's a lot to ask for. Do you understand? Don't get me wrong, it can definitely still drop 80-90 pips, but we're probably going to drop maybe 40 pip pullback and then continue higher again. Okay. I'll be careful of this 5-minute area here, this area here as well. So if you are in longs, you know, look to cover your position or take partials around that price point of 29.43 before anything else. Other than that, that's it for today. I will update you guys in the Discord as usual. Thank you guys for all watching, dropping a like on the video, joining the Discord and the Telegram. If you're new, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, if you have any questions, let's have a conversation inside of the Discord, any setups inside of the Discord, etc, etc. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Wait, tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. We'll go again tomorrow, and hopefully gold wants to behave itself a little bit sooner for us. Peace.